Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. And this is how it goes. First, go ahead and launch the Instagram application on your device. Once you are in the app, tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the three lines option from the top right-hand side of the screen to access the menu. From the menu, navigate to the Account Center option. Then scroll down and select Personal Details. Here, you'll find the Account Ownership and Control section. Tap on it. Now, select Deactivation and Deletion. From the list, choose your Instagram account. Select the option called Deactivate Account. This will temporarily deactivate your account. Tap Continue and enter your password to confirm the deactivation. And that's it. You have successfully temporarily deactivated your Instagram account. You can reactivate it anytime in the future by simply logging in. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. We will see you in our next video.